Welcome, guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to hack Facebook accounts. This is for educational purpose only, please. First of all, log in your Facebook or any Facebook account. Once you log in, it take you to the Facebook home. Then you can write anything. You can write a catchy post or anything that you know that is suitable for people to click on. So, for example, let me just give an example. Hello, guys. Check out this my unique photos. Unique photos. No. Check out this my unique Facebook photos. Here. So I will teach you guys how to get this link. It's a Google link, Blogspot link. I will teach you guys how to get the link by the ending of this video. So when you post it, you will see that the posts have been made. Hello guys, check out my unique Facebook photos here. So you can easily send the link to anybody you want to get his or her account. For example, this is one of the friends of the account. Hello, check out my photos here. You can send the person the link. So when the victim click on it, you will get his or her Facebook details. So you can see I just sent it to this person. So once she click on it, or he click on it, if you directly to this blogger, then redirect the link to Facebook login. Yes, this is the Facebook login. So let's test it out. Let's just test the link out. Mike Carter at yahoo.com. Please note this is for educational purpose only. Educational purpose only. So I won't be held responsible if anything. I won't be held responsible, please. So that's the password. Password 123. You copy it in the password section. Then you click on login. Once you log in, it will redirect you to Facebook account. So once you are directed to Facebook account, you can see that you will see the login details. So this is the login we imputed. Mike Carter at yahoo.com. Password 1234. Password 1234. So that is how you can get Facebook details. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.